guess what time it is? It's time for another What's in the Box? I got another package today. Alright, let's get into this one. Alright, I always love opening these things on camera because I am so bad at opening boxes on camera. But this is an eBay purchase. I do know what it is. And this is the last one I gotta do for a while on this front. This was one that I did not think I'd win an auction for, but I figured, what the hey, I won the auction. I don't want my eBay seller profile to go down. I think I only paid like $8 for it. Alright, what we got? Well, we got an invoice out of eBay. That's actually pretty unusual. That's kind of cool. And then I got a box and a bag. And this one's actually packed pretty good. That's always better. Because if you've seen some of the videos before, you've seen that some of these that I get out of eBay, I better not squeeze it too hard, I'm gonna mess up the box. Come a little crazy. And what do we have? Ooh, I did mess up the box a bit. That wasn't me, that wasn't eBay, that was me. But we have Bob Wiley from What About Bob. This is actually one of my sneaky favorite movies.